Who uses a huge box truck as a getaway car? Apparently, this guy, who already has a history of carjackings, but he's gonna regret this. Gainesville, Florida. On August 23, 2022, Tampa police responded to a carjacking on Enclave Village Drive. A woman was confronted by an armed suspect as she got into her car before work. The suspect, identified as 33-year-old Brandon J. Baker, ordered her out of the vehicle and drove off in her black Nissan Maxima.
Westbound Arch Road, westbound Arch Road. Did you fail? Negative.
Fortunately, the victim was unharmed. Just minutes later, officers responded to a 911 call on Ashbury Palms Drive. According to reports, Baker forced his way into a home after the carjacking and confronted a second victim, someone he knew. He then forced this person out of the residence and into the stolen Maxima. The victim managed to escape, and Baker fled before police arrived. The stolen Maxima was later found abandoned at Tampa Palms Boulevard, and the victim was unharmed. About an hour later, Tampa police received a report of another stolen vehicle on Highwoods Preserve Parkway. Finally, victim number 3 was in the back of his white Isuzu box truck. As he stepped out, he saw Baker behind the wheel. Baker drove off, but the truck had GPS tracking. Police traced its location, and the Florida Highway Patrol attempted a traffic stop.
Back on Arch Road, I am now the vehicle.
The suspect refused to stop. Police tried many times to block him, but he kept going and even hit several police cars. This isn't a video game. His reckless actions really made the police angry, and in fact, every move only dug him deeper, showing how out of control and desperate he had become.
Northbound through Windows Boulevard on 34th Street. Trying to get up to a pit. Signal 4, getting wrong lane of traffic. Wrong.
He drove recklessly, swerving through traffic, hitting civilian and police vehicles, even speeding in the wrong lane. But that giant truck won't protect him forever. His luck is running out, and soon the consequences will catch up with him.
Everybody hold the traffic for a second. Keep calling. We're through the parking lot. We're about to come out at 34th Street.
Finally, one last pit maneuver forced him out of the vehicle and straight into custody. He tried to run but failed, and later was charged with armed carjacking, burglary with battery, kidnapping, grand theft auto, and several other felony offenses. That's the real-world consequence of acting like life is a video game. And that's a wrap on today's pursuit. High-speed chases aren't just thrilling. They're incredibly dangerous and tough to execute. It's a reminder of the intense work law enforcement puts in to keep our roads safe. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe, respect the law, and always drive responsibly.